Everybody, today we're doing an exciting unboxing. This just shipped to me today. It was ordered through the Chanel at the Crystals in Las Vegas. I've already done videos on it, so yes, I just had to rewrap it myself. So we're just going to undo these. Do you guys have any guesses? It is one of the hottest bags. Oh, it's Chanel's newest It bag. The tissue has Chanel on it and the sticker right here. How do I do this? Showing you guys. I love the packaging, and for paying this much, you should be getting outstanding packaging, in my humble opinion. Here is the bag. There is the bottom pillowing. Ooh, let me set this down. And I don't typically buy anything big, quote unquote, as far as size from Chanel. I typically gravitate more towards their mini bags or, you know, those nighttime bags, and not so much everyday bags. However, oh no, this bag just spoke to me for whatever reason. And yes, the different background I am in my office at the moment. So no, it is not a classic flap. Classic flaps would have the white dust bag. Any guesses? Comment them down below. And this color, oh my goodness. To reveal, ta-da! This is the Chanel 25 shoulder bag in the small size, in the yellow, light yellow color. I hope this picks up. And I did already put my items in it just to see how I like it, and just to see how comfortable or uncomfortable it would fit or it would feel on the shoulder. The side pockets have this felt on it, and this is how it looks without all the stuffing inside. And how I personally like it is not so cinched, but just, I don't know how to show you guys, cinched enough that some of the leather still dangles. Here's an up close, side, back, other side, bottom. And something I didn't know about the bag is that it's actually cloth interior. Let me open it up. It's cloth interior. There's two side pockets, and then this Chanel right here, and then the serial code on the other side. Oh my god, I love! She's so cute. Let me do some mod shots real quick. So I am 4'11", 5 foot for reference, and this is how it sits on me. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Tell me your thoughts on this bag. Again, here's an up close. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Next, I will do a what fits and maybe like a styling video, just because it's the new hot color of the season, as well as, well, according to the blogs. But also, I really love yellow. I've been looking for a yellow bag from Chanel for a while. And yeah, I know it's giving diaper bag, mom bag, whatever, but I am both of those things. I don't carry diapers anymore, however, I am a mom. So again, please subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I'll leave all that information down below. Bye!